Claude AI payment failed. Quick fixes to get Claude Pro. Now your card is valid, you have funds, it works on every other website, but Claude Pro keeps saying payment failed. This is way more common than you think, and the fix is usually simple. Let me walk you through every working solution right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm covering all the quick fixes for Claude Pro payment failures in 2026. The problem rarely lies with your bank balance. In the vast majority of cases, it's a backend risk control issue triggered by international payment gateways. Once you understand why it's happening, fixing it takes just a few minutes. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Check your 3D Secure verification first. 3D Secure is the bank verification step that appears as a pop-up or redirect during checkout. If it timed out or was dismissed, the payment fails but may still appear as a pending hold. Go into your banking app, approve the pending transaction if you see one, then retry the payment in a fresh incognito browser window. Step 2. Turn off your VPN. If you are using a VPN to access Claude from an unsupported region, Stripe's fraud detection will flag and block the transaction automatically. Disable your VPN completely, clear your browser cookies, and attempt the payment again with your real location active. Step 3. Fix your billing address mismatch. Stripe uses address verification service, which compares the billing address you enter against what's registered with your card issuer. Even a small mismatch, a different zip code format, or a missing apartment number can cause a decline. Double-check every detail matches your bank records exactly before retrying. Step 4. Switch to PayPal as your payment method. Claude AI accepts PayPal in addition to credit and debit cards, and if your card keeps getting declined, PayPal is often the fastest workaround. It sidesteps many of the 3D Secure and international payment issues. To add PayPal, go to Claude AI, then Settings, then Manage Subscription, then Add Payment Method and select PayPal. Step 5. Try subscribing through the mobile app instead. If web payment keeps failing, download the Claude app on iPhone and subscribe through there. Many users report the Apple App Store payment goes through immediately when the web checkout repeatedly fails. Android users can try the same through Google Play. Step 6. Check you're logged into the right account. If you've already paid but your account still shows free, you may have logged in with a different email. Try signing in with any alternative emails you may have originally signed up with. Here's your pro tip. After repeated failed attempts, a temporary card block can last 24 to 48 hours. If none of the fixes are working immediately, wait until the next day and retry at a different time. This is especially common in the days immediately following a major Claude model announcement, when server load and payment volume spike significantly. If you're still stuck after 48 hours, contact Anthropic support directly at support@anthropic.com and they can resolve it from their end. And those are your 6 quick fixes for Claude Pro payment failures: completing 3D Secure verification, turning off your VPN, fixing your billing address, switching to PayPal, subscribing through the mobile app, and checking you're on the right account. One of these will work for you. If this saved you the frustration, hit that like button and subscribe for more Claude and AI tool fix guides every week. And drop a comment below which fix worked for you. Your answer might help someone else in the same situation. See you in the next one.